I know in every family where there is a priest like Father Robert, you could be the last born, but as soon as you are a priest, you are like the firstborn. You take the lead of the children of the family. I am more than confident that this was the role played by Father Robert in your family. Now, in his absence, as he goes, brothers and sisters of Father Robert, I want you to get home. Make a gathering. Make a family gathering. Ask yourselves, now our brother has gone. Who takes the mantle? Who takes the lead to unite the family, to put together the family, to talk together as a family? Because this is not just unique to you. In all families, we have challenges of disintegration, where people are not talking, people are not sitting together, people are not coordinating. Therefore, it is important that you are together. Perhaps Father Robert did that very well, but now you have to take the responsibility and make sure that it's a family, you're a family that is sitting together, talking together. We remember the saying, a family that prays together stays together. A family that prays together stays together. So we pray you togetherness. We pray you unity. We want you to stay together. And you cannot stay together if you're not sitting together, talking with one another. Sometimes people talk to one another. Yani watu wanarushiana maneno kutoka mbali. Unastahili kuongea kwa karibu. From the heart. Heart to heart sharing. This is our prayer.